Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So guys, it's our day 2 here in Dumaguete City, and so far so good. Dumaguete has been so nice to us, and for this trip we are heading to Casaroro Falls and Forest Camp here in Valencia, Dumaguete. I mean Valencia, Negros Oriental. So let's. So guys, look at that view behind me. So Kuya said that in order to get into the falls, you need to 300 plus steps going there. Look at that. Staircase is so long. And it's nice because they're making an effort to make it like this so that the tourists would have a convenient walk towards the falls. Very nice. Kaya mo yan. Probably the longest fall I have ever seen in my life. Here it is, the famous Casaroro Falls. You guys, you're going to love it here. It's amazing! Ha? Lunangan. Guys, this is like the best gift from God for Dumaguete, for Negros Oriental in general. Look at that treasure. Wow. Woo. I can't get enough of it. Like, I want to build my house over here. So guys, we are heading back to the mainland here in Valencia. So we're going to the forest camp, still here in Valencia. Guys, let's try to count how many steps would it take for us to go upstairs and finally see the peak of this place. Guys, I am so tired. I'm sweating so bad. And I'm also catching my breath. Bro, are you okay?
Tabang!
Nalapin mo na og no. I-rescue. Guys, I would suggest that you guys have to install some elevators or zip line and going up.
102, 103.
Apoy yan na.
How are you?
Almost there. Whew. Guys, we finally reached the top. And now we are going to the forest camp. Hi guys, we have just arrived here in the first camp, still in Valencia, Negros Oriental. So guys, we're going to order some lunch. So I'm getting spicy chicken wings and bro is getting grilled native chicken and a buko halo-halo as well. Serving number ba na siyang trophy? Ano ba napanalunan mo? Fourth runner-up?
Fourth runner-up.
Grabe, ka-energized. Girl says hallelujah. Woo! Girl says hallelujah.
It's Uptown Funk, I'll give it to you.
Come on! Come on! Woo! Guys, gutom na. So guys, finally the food is here. So we're going to take our lunch now. And bro only give me one rice. So that's okay. It's for my own good. And we have this spicy chicken and the grilled chicken, and also, oh, this is so beautiful. Look at that.
Whoa!
The
Buko halo-halo. Yay!
For today guys, thank you so much for watching.